Struggling with thinning hair? What if the secret to a thicker, fuller mane is hiding in your kitchen drawer? Today we're diving deep into onion juice, an age-old remedy backed by modern science to jumpstart your hair growth and stop hair loss in its tracks. Onions are rich in sulfur, a key building block of keratin, the protein that makes up your hair. Sulfur improves blood circulation to the scalp, strengthening hair follicles and reducing breakage. Plus, onions have antimicrobial and antioxidant properties that fight scalp infections and free radicals, two major culprits behind hair thinning. Meet Sarah, Raj and Emily, three people who struggled with hair loss for years. After applying onion juice twice a week for 3 months, they saw up to 40% more hair volume and significantly reduced shedding. Ready to transform your hair? Grab some onions and give this remedy a try. Your follicles will thank you. Hit like if you learned something new. Subscribe for more natural beauty hacks. And share this video with anyone battling hair loss. Comment below with your questions or success stories. We love hearing from you.